Okay, I was walking down the hall with this one guy. So cute. So
What was his
cute.
name?
I really don't remember.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Do you know it?
No. It's Nathan.
Oh, you know
It's Nathan. It's Nathan.
It was Nathan,
Oh
yeah.
my god. So what are we gonna do tonight, girls?
Maybe go to the movies, the mall. I don't
I'm gonna get my nails done.
Oh my god, my nails.
Oh my god, it's
Oh, I have a
serious.
story goes
Oh
right
my
here.
God,
why?
Yeah, I was walking down the hall with this guy, and he was like so hot.
Did you talk to him?
I said beside the guy. I wasn't talking to him.
Oh
my God.
Oh my god.
That's
Oh my
just
God,
how
you're
stupid I am.
You're so stupid.
That's just me.
You know what I found out in science class today?
What?
Oh, the science teacher's hot.
Oh
Oh my god.
I
Ew, he's so gross. He's
know.
got
He's
front
so
butt.
hot. No.
But
now.
Oh my god, you know this totally preppy girl just pissed me off today.
I'm getting my hair dyed.
Oh my god!
You guys want to come with?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh, poor Jazz. Let's go take care of her. Come on.